Alright, what's going on, Tony Ronys? It's your boy Tony TV, and I'm back with another video. Don't pay no mind to that button right there. But if you're new to this channel, man, hit the subscribe button for your boy, and hit that like button for your boy. It helps out so much. Okay. Today, well, not today, tonight for dinner, I'm gonna be making some hamburger and potato casserole. This is my first time making this dish, so yeah. First step, fry the potatoes up. So we got to cut these potatoes up, and we're gonna throw them in that pan with some olive oil, and we're gonna fry those bad boys up. Okay, so let's get to cutting these potatoes up. I cut the potatoes up, as you can see. Okay. All right, now we're gonna add the olive oil. The pan is on. It's already nice and hot, so we're gonna add the olive oil. All right. Now we're gonna add the potatoes. All right.
Yeah, boy.
Now we're going to add some seasoning oil. All right, and we're going to add some onion and herb. Y'all know I love this stuff. I stay cooking with this. I'm going to use some onion powder. Let me turn this down a little bit, actually, to about you don't need it on that high right now, so we're gonna turn it on to about a 6. All right, onion powder and pepper. Okay. All right, there we go. Now we're just gonna let that cook for a good minute. While I'm gonna add some mushrooms and green pepper, and onion to this in a minute. So I still got to finish cut this up real quick because I want to give these a good old mix. Okay. Stir them up. These potatoes smell so good. Alright guys, the potatoes are done. Okay? These are done. I've been cooking these for about 10 minutes. And I've been constantly stirring them up. Okay? Alright, now we're going to spread these bad boys out. I'm working with one hand, so work with me, guys. Work with me, please. Alright, these potatoes smell and look so good right now. Alright, there we go. They're spread out. Alright, now what I'm going to do is I'm going to wash this pan out so we can get that ground beef cooking. Alright. Alright guys, we're going to add some seasoning oil, not much, okay? Seasoning oil, onion powder, pepper, the onion and herb, okay? Now we're gonna give this a mix. All right, the vegetables that I cut up, we're gonna add it. We got the y'all know I'm slow sometimes. The onions, the mushrooms, and the green peppers. Okay, so we're gonna add it in here. We're gonna give it a good stir. I still got a lot more on the plate. Come on, get in there. Come on. Alright, there we go. That's it. Alright, now we're going to give that a good stir. We're going to stir that up. That smells so good. You know y'all see them vegetables in there. Them greens. Yeah. Alright. This is almost done, so we're gonna let this cook for about 5 more minutes. Alright guys, I'm gonna drain a little bit of this oil. You don't want to put that in your pan, so you just want to drain about 95% of it, okay? Alright, and we're gonna throw this back on the pan, and we're gonna add the cream of mushrooms. Cream of mushrooms, okay? Add that to taste, I guess. I don't know. Alright, we're gonna get that a good mix. Yeah, we're gonna need some more of that. We're gonna throw some more. And then after you stir this up pretty good, let it heat up, then we're gonna throw that bad boy in there with them potatoes. I should know all the rest of that. Yeah. Oh, that's not good. Don't want to eat that. Alright, mix that up. Yeah. Alright. Let it go. We're gonna let that cook for about a minute or two, then we're gonna throw it in the pan. Throw some sharp cheddar in there with the potatoes, but I'm not gonna use a lot because I am kind of lactose, so I'm not gonna use a lot. Alright, now we're gonna add that. Okay. Alright, now we're going to mix that bad boy around. Alright, now we're going to add a little bit of cheese to that. Not a lot of cheese. Okay. 20 minutes in the oven. Okay? Shut it, close it, forget about it, you're done about it. Alright, Tony Ronys, I'm finally done. Okay? Look at this masterpiece. Yes, I know. I know. That looks very, very good. Alright guys, if you want to try this recipe out, go ahead. You won't be disappointed. This is my first time making it, so I really don't know what it tastes like. But I know when I cook it's good, huh?
So say that and tell them that you know if you try it, put it in the comments.
yeah, if you tried it, cooked it, let me know, please. Let me know how it turned out, because I want to know. This is my first time making it. I know I told you I already said that, but it looks good. So enjoy, have a great night, and I'll see y'all later.
Perfect.